Welcome back to part 2 of the superhero series. On today's episode, we subscribe to the channel and get us closer to 1,000 subscribers. Also, we talk about the third topic of our series, the constant of being a role model. So for those of you who missed the first video, I started talking about what the constants are in superheroes. Being a role model is one of those constants. So being a role model in a fictional sense, there's a lot of stories that display these people in crowds protecting others and not backing down, showing them that even without superpowers, if you really push yourself, if you really show the tenacity and perseverance in whatever it is you do and you do not give up, where there is a will, there is a way. And if we look at superheroes in a non-fiction sense, you can almost see something similar. To sum this all up, just by being who you are, just by loving who you are, you will naturally become someone that people look up to. You are someone that is pursuing their passion, pursuing their dreams, and working hard to do it. This sort of presence and work ethic that you create for yourself is going to be intoxicating to people that see it and hear about it. It's great to have someone that you personally look up to, and sometimes if you don't think you have one, you need to become the person that you would want in your life, because somewhere out there someone is searching for that role model. They are looking for someone they can look up to, and you just being you, being the best version of yourself that you can be, you will either advertently or inadvertently become that role model for others. And as far as advertently goes, I recommend that you reach out to your communities and the people around you to see if they need mentors. You being able to teach someone and show them your ways is going to help motivate you and is going to do more good for them to produce this passion into the world. So the fourth one is one of my favorite ones because it focuses on relationships. Defend those who can't defend themselves and fortify those that you can fortify. So in most superhero movies, every time the hero is down and out, they used up all of their options, there's always that shining light at the top of the hill. The people that they put trust in to one day help them if they are tired and down and beat. So when we build our alliances, when we do this defending and we help the people around us, it surrounds us with the positive people that we want to keep in our lives that influence our day-to-day and how we feel. Also, it's very important to note, there are some battles that we cannot win ourselves. There are some times where we do need to call for backup. We do need to ask for help in situations. Seek the people that are closest to you first. Biggest reason this is a constant in being a superhero, if you want to bring about a change in the world, if you want to make the world a better place, start with the people in front of you. Because the best way to change the world is one step at a time. That's all for part 2. As always, if you like what you heard, please feel free to leave a like and throw me a comment on something that you heard in this video that you can relate to either a fiction or a non-fiction superhero of today. As always, I hope this helps. We'll see you next time. Subscribe.